With the largest population in Africa, Nigeria is one of the countries most affected by AIDS, tuberculosis, and malaria.
Ecobank wants to solve problems in the community where we live. If you look at HIV, if you look at TB, if you look at malaria in terms of impact on the quality of life and ability to get productive people to work, it's a major impact.
The Global Fund has committed more than $1 billion in grants to organizations working to prevent and treat these diseases throughout Nigeria. But in order to make the money work, strong financial management is key.
It's actually financial management that makes a difference in whether or not someone gets access to services. This isn't about banking, this is actually about delivering services and access. And if you can't manage the money, you can't get access to people.
The Ecobank Foundation and the Global Fund have begun a unique partnership to strengthen the financial management skills of NGOs and public organizations managing the money. The Global Fund provides funding for programs in countries burdened by the diseases. The Ecobank Foundation brings a bank's finance management know-how to the table and funds the training initiative. A third partner, Accounting for International Development, recruits pro bono consultants for 2-month assignments. These accounting experts are paired with organizations on the ground.
My role in this initiative is to build up the financial management capabilities of the sub-recipients of the Global Fund grants in Nigeria, to see how the risk in implementing the projects can be mitigated and also minimized.
For partner organizations like Africare, which is working to combat malaria, the training initiative is already making a difference.
We brought everybody that is involved in the project, both the program and the finance, together as a team. And we are able to look at the details of the budget, look at the deliverables, and important of complying with the rules and policies and regulations laid down. I'm very sure that everybody, we are all on the same page now. We all have a common understanding.
In Nigeria alone, 14 grant recipient organizations have received training, adding up to more than 96 weeks of accounting support. Together, these organizations are managing more than $111 million in grant funding to combat HIV, tuberculosis, and malaria. The Global Fund Ecobank Foundation partnership has also been launched in South Sudan and Senegal, where organizations are also benefiting from the training initiative.
To our understanding, it's the first time that this is being done on a Pan-African basis. That makes it unique. You bring in a global innovator to do something on a scale that has never been done before.
Apart from support for financial management skills building, the Pan-African Bank also provides financial advice to the Global Fund Treasury about the banking context in African countries, advocates globally on behalf of the cause, and mobilizes its 20,000 employees in the fight against the diseases.
So at the end of the day, the beneficiaries, we feel the impact. Drugs are available as when needed, ACT and the mosquito nets. And where we notice we have a shortage, you're able to move to where you have excess to where there is a demand.
I realized that I could actually use my accounting skills really and add value to the project here in Nigeria by improving the financial management capabilities. So future funds will be released to the organization and lives will be saved in the long term.
It'll actually build financial management throughout a country. It'll build financial management in a community. It builds accountability. It builds transparency. And when you have all that, not only do we save lives and end HIV, TB, and malaria epidemics, we build a prosperous future and a safer future for all the world.